So the story time I wanna say. These are the original side chick story. You know they have to cause a problem, just I gotta tell you how it go. A joke. Obviously, if your man could have been taken, I never hear your man from before. But it's still a fast with him. After that, me still a fast with him because me just never care. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's nice? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, as I see the title and see the thumbnail, I'm gonna tell you a story time of when I was a side chick. Okay, this is not a prank or nothing. I wanna know some always are going to the story time. This is a real story time. This is not a prank or nothing. Like everything I'm gonna say, it goes so. If you not go so, it near for go so. But I'm gonna get the picture. And get the picture, guys. So if you want to see the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on all my social media platforms. For my Instagram links gonna be down in the description and also on the screen right here, guys. So follow me on this, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come smash my subscribe button on the road to 20,000 subscribers, guys. So I was thinking. So I'm gonna post a video. I never know what kind of video to post. As I know, most I don't know. Saying kitchen is on lockdown, okay? So I can't go away. I can't go nowhere at all. You know, I have just in my house, lock up and all these things. So saying catching up on lockdown due to the can't call work because I don't want to get demonetized. So yeah, guys. Anyways, that has nothing to do with the video. That has nothing to do with the video, guys. So let's get into the video. I can't dance in the door, man. So, time for real story time, guys. This is when I was in grade. I'm gonna tell you how everything started before I reached to the side chick part. So, I had to stand up. There you go. Sorry, I got here when I tell the people them say. We soon finish though. Just give me 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes to talk to my peoples, okay? After the 10 minutes, I'll call you back. I don't want you to hear what I'm saying because, you know, sometimes I can get really nasty. Anyway, so I did in a grade 8, the middle of grade 8, going into grade 9, and me and this guy start talk. We usually do tracks, so I'm not going to call nobody name in that situation here, guys. Nobody name. Like, I don't even know if the camera show me good. Yeah, so as I did that in a grade 8 going into grade 9, and me and this guy start talk. We did it on the same track team together at my high school, so me and this guy start talking, and when we start talking in grade 8, me did in a 8th grade, him did in a 10th grade. I know I was a little bit rude at the time. Me in a 8th grade and him did in a 10th grade, and if I was start talking in grade 8, we never broke up till we leave high school, or on the verge of leaving high school, till like I think at the 360 level we do, I would break up. Anyways, so but so that to say, me and him did talk. Him did in a grade 10, me in a grade 8, and we had talk go through. So when me reach in a grade 9, you know, so him would in a grade 11, then me in a grade 10, him would have graduated. But the boy never graduated, him repeat, because you know, once I do sports high school I can repeat. So him repeat, so me end up in a grade 10 in a grade 11. So when me in a grade 11 again, he repeats again. He claim to say him repeat because he want to leave the same year as me. He must say him repeat because of me, which I know that is a lie, but I know that's what I can repeat just with the tracks. But anyways, me, you know, at the time, dumb and so much in love, high school love, I believe. So I guess it didn't mean it. It didn't mean it because we were in school together. So, and then tracks did stop at my school. We didn't end up having stop tracks. So I guess him did mean it. Come like in this, he said, principal, I said, no more tracks. So, no. So that happened. And so this guy, you know, we did have this friend, or a group of we had walk. We did have this friend, and I don't call her name either. But she know herself if she watched the video. Me did have this friend and she didn't know this guy. Remember, mind you, me never know this guy as much as how him usually do football at the school or for the school. Me don't remember. But me never know him. And apparently him didn't know me or him see me. So him see me, I like the kid. So alright, stop it, Shawna, stop it. Okay, I'm sorry. Jesus peace, sure. So him and my friend did a friend or whatever, and him tell my friend say him like me or whatever, and she fi set the link or something. Remember, you know, me have my boyfriend. Me never know him, but him did have him girlfriend at the time. Cause you know, by talking to him, communicating or something, him having girlfriend. Him tell me, cause him never hide her, and plus me did have my boyfriend, so him never have a reason for hide her or whatever. So you know, me and him start deal. Reason why me and him start because me and my boyfriend did that. You know, we did a good child good thing, and you know when you know say something not gonna last. Well, me never know because I couldn't tell the future, but you know them type of feeling there. So me and the other guy start link now, and me and the other guy start link and something, so they will start move closer and one another something, so till him, as I say, him did in a football and something. So one time me, him, my friend when they tell him like me and something, go to this football match on another high school. Apparently, oh, and Fim girlfriend did have cousin where I come from my high school. You follow the story. Fim girlfriend did have cousins where I come from my high school, so them know him and them know me. Me and the cousin them never talk. I know never talk. I know because you know. Yeah, so when I reach now, this football match that keep one at the high school, that at the high school way. Alright, you see, I got name. Well, my ex out of the picture now because film part done. So I got name the next boy we have him girlfriend. I got name him Nick. I got name him Nick. This is not his real name. I got name him Nick. So my football match that keep at the high school with Nick usually go before he come through high school or something. So you know, we all are close or something. So him say, oh, he might make a move over there or something. So we say, alright, and bet we'll go with him or something. Me and my friend and him did it. We just go and Bill and watch a football match or something. Only forget a message from Facebook a couple days after that from the film girlfriend. I go call him girlfriend Tash. I go call him girlfriend Tash. So only forget a message from Facebook from him girlfriend cousin. That a Tash cousin we go. My high school usually go. So she I don't remember what exactly she did ask me about. Oh yeah, me usually got distinction after I left high school. So I think she did ask me something about distinction or something like that. Distinction college, she did ask me something about it. And she say, give me a number so we can text you up on WhatsApp. Because I don't really use Messenger to that, so give me a number. So I say, alright then. Remember, I know me and this girl never really talk at high school. So me say, why should I choose me for ask about distinction? But anyways, I give her my number or something, and then you just know, you know when you know say yo, I not really that them want to talk about, but at the time I did have this girl when I claim to say a friend, family. So me and I did up on the bed and I said to her, I say, Tash cousin I text me asking about distinction, but me don't feel like her cousin, I feel like she the girlfriend Tash, and the ex-friend I say, yeah, I feel like she too. I say me don't know, but I go continue text her and I say what she want. So we did that text back and forth talking about distinction or whatever. So till like she get fed up now, she say, you know what? This another cousin, this a me, him girlfriend or whatever. So I bust out a laugh and I say, hello, I know a long time. Duh. So the girl start cussing and go on. Me see the day over school, or my cousin see the day over school, whatever, with my boyfriend and Ray, and something like that. So the girl I fly up and go on, and I say, girl. That's a girl. Sheer. Learn for sheer. Because we don't know how dumb are you for your text my days with your man. Obviously, if your man could have been taken and never your man from before. Stop it. Stop it. Okay? So, me and I did that go back and forth. And me did that, me I laugh. Because me I say, me know a long time she me just not really sure. So, me did that laugh and something and the girl cussing and going. So, we argue back and something. And then she thought, well, my man this and that. And then, you know, I start to think so, but I start to say, yeah, your man, but him good at all these things. Which me just not say that for fast food and thing. You know, me just not try to make fun of the situation. So she did a flip and I'm going and I say, your man very and this and that and him like me and something. Me just not try to piss her off more. Even though some might go so. You can't get a full details because as you don't know, this is YouTube and them have guidelines and policies, so I can't go in a full details. So me and the girl did a cuss back and forth and like we are cuss long from morning go right back we are cuss. And something so till at the time me never know so the girl work somewhere behind distinction or somewhere down the road there. I never know same girl because at this point remember we tell you when we left high school you know, so I never know say how she work somewhere down the road. Oh, and we are cuss back and forth and the girl start telling me how much done some of this and that. I'm like, girl, we're going to really left from cussing about a man gone into how done me be or how done you be or something. So I just say, you know, bam, I'm black her. Then one day I got a distinction now. School over and something. But I walk with a couple of my friends and when I look to that the girl that she did have some friend that her boyfriend, Nick friend. When I follow the story, Nick friend usually got distinction too. She have one girl too. So apparently she come to look for her friend. I don't know if she come to look for her friend or she come to look for me or whatever because I don't say she knows I them go. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and something. What is that? Oh, good. So sorry guys. So when time she come then I'm gonna go downstairs and something. I see the girl, so I think the girl already know fit. I think the girl ready for fight and something. When the girl see me, the girl stand up and look for me. So I'm just me I say, I come here and say you're full of chat so much over the phone. And when you see me in person, you just stand up and look for me. Nothing, so. I can't believe the girl. And so, sorry guys, I did have to run go fast out of work. I want to drop down in the gutter out there, so I run go look. So, anyways. So we see the girl downstairs and she see me and the girl stand up and look for me. I mean, well, I think the girl ready for it, you know. But nothing. So they say, if me was you and you were me and you, I take my man and me know where you there, I'ma see a girl. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, she never do none of that or something. But she never do none of that. And the day they just walk past her because she never ready. Anyway, so after that now, I think me did text Nick. Me did text the guy. I mean I tell him say, I mean him don't already know because I'm woman or something, so them a go across about it and him know and I say you wanna prepare no mind or something like that. Something like that him say, well me know I never no fighting words or no strong or no upset word in they bring to me, but that was the case or something, but me did still a fast with him. After that me did still a fast with him because me just never care. But it's still a fast with him. But you're not for yourself, you know. I stop fast with him. Yep, man. I stop fast with him, you know. And something, but I'm still my good friend. But I'm telling you, the girl never ugly or nothing, you know. So I never hate her. I just think it's funny. I'm still not hate her. Because she don't ugly right now. But I guess she don't like me. But it's not my fault. It's not my fault. I know, first of all, I never did know him, man. I never did know him, okay? Him know me and him come fast with me. But anyways, that's at the end of the story, guys. I can't tell you everything in details, but that are the just summarize it for you guys. So if you enjoy this little story time, don't forget to smash the subscribe button like I said before. And if you want more story time, guys, just comment the topic down below, and if I have one story on that, then definitely I gonna know about it. But until then, guys, me I go back out and go look on the cow till I'm taking out and something, and we're quarantined. So peace out and subscribe. Also guys, I want a name for Carl, you know. I want a name. I say, what's up guys, what's popping, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want a name I can call, you know, down in the comments. So comment down below and the name with the most likes or sound best, it may go use so. Bye.